Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. I'm super excited to be here today. Today is first day of December 2023. I know you are happy to be alive till today. And guess what? This month is actually the last month of the year 2023. The year 2023 is actually coming to a wrap. Now, how do you want to end your year? How exactly are you closing your year? Are you closing your year strong with great achievements, or you were about to close your year like a loser? What are those things you wanted to achieve as a music artist for yourself and for your career as a music artist? Have you achieved them? So, if you have not achieved most of them, I guess it's time for you to hop into AFROMUSIC TALENT SHOW for us to help unleash those potential and usher you to start up the year 2024 in a grand style. The good news is that AFROMUSIC TALENT SHOW is an opportunity exclusively to help discover, showcase, and promote rising music artists and take them into fame. No wonder the motto of AFROMUSIC TALENT SHOW is taking you into fame. We are always here trying our very best to push you and take you into fame and stardom. I'm sure that by now the name AFROMUSIC TALENT SHOW is not actually a new thing and a new name, a new concept for you. It's something that you are used to right now, but just in case you are just meeting and getting to know us, this is an online competition specially organized by the Elegant Empire Music to help you, unleash you, and take you into fame. So, stay with us. The process is very simple. The competition is divided into 3 stages. The first stage is your registration. Alright, so there are a few steps into registration. After watching this video, get back to our DM and let us take you through the process of registration. After the registration closes on the 7th of December 2023, a general beat for this competition will be released by us and sent to all contestants who have registered. So, whether you do gospel, whether you are a rapper, whether you are an Afro artist or dancehall or jazz, whatever genre of song you do, you are going to use that same one beat to do your performance. Alright, so this is called AFROMUSIC TALENT SHOW. So, whatever genre of song you do, try to infuse it into the Afro style, because this competition is aimed towards promoting and showcasing the Afro music to all and sundry. So that being said, guys, after the general beat has been released, study the beats, do your composition, write out your song, write your lyrics if possible. Do not do a freestyle, because this is a very serious competition. So take your time and do a very nice composition. Get it sent to us. And then we are going to get those compositions placed on our video display template and uploaded on our YouTube channel. And then the last stage for the competition would be the voting. So once these videos have been sent to us, we are going to put them on the video display template and get them uploaded on our YouTube channel. And a link will be sent across to you for you to send it to all your friends, your family, your well-wishers, your colleagues, whoever, for them to vote for you. And you too, as an artist, you can vote for yourself. So once that is done, you are just all set and done. And once the voting is over, the competition is over. Then the next we are going to do is to announce the winner for this season of this competition. Who knows, you might just be the winner. So just put in your very best in your performance, and also put in your very best for people to vote for you. And you also, as a contestant, you can vote for yourself. So details on how to vote and everything will be sent across to you on the guidelines for this competition. Make sure you ask us for the guidelines for the competition, and make sure you read your guidelines from the start to the ending. We often see contestants who have not read their guidelines come to ask us questions that has already been answered on the guidelines. So please, once we send you the guidelines for this competition, please ensure to read your guidelines carefully so you will understand exactly what we are trying to do here at the Afro Music Talent Show. Thank you very much, and just after this video, get back to us on our DM and let us get you through the process of the registration and into the competition and into the voting, and then boom, you may just be the winner. All right, thank you very much for coming on board on this show. Thank you for watching this video to this point, and thank you for I am always privileged and proud to be your host and the project director for this competition. My name is yours truly, Elegant Akpabio. Have a nice time and see you on the other side of the show when you contact us. Peace out.